Hi guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread, I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. This is actually going to be my Christmas spread, and this spread is from the 24th of December through the 30th of December. And I'm going to be I filmed this early, like on Friday, but I'm going to be uploading it Wednesday after Christmas. So I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. So like I said, this is my Christmas spread. So these are the stickers that I've chosen. I got this at Michael's. I thought it was really cute. And just all the presents and everything like that. And then I'm going to be using this washi that's all glittery. It matches that. And then I may incorporate this sleigh tag that came from the Dollar Tree in this spread because it matches everything. And then I've chosen this paper, and I think I got this either at Joann's or Michael's, I'm not sure. And I'm just going to be using a red Papermate marker, and then I may use some of these little snowflakes from the Dollar Tree. We'll just have to see. So let me take my pages out of my planner. I'm so happy everyone loved my Dollar Tree sticker theme one last week. I had so much fun doing it. Okay, I've decided that I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread. So I'm going to cut this one first. I just think this paper is really pretty. And then I love this paper too. I think they complement each other nicely. Okay, let's start putting our paper down like we like it. I think this is going to be an adorable little spread. Okay, let's start gluing our paper down. I really love these colors together. The snowflakes pick up that color that's in that paper. I really do like that. Okay, I think that is adorable. Okay, let's put our washi down. Now I don't know if I'll be able to tear this. I might have to cut it. We'll see. I hope I can tear it. But I think this is gonna be so pretty. Oh, it's gonna tear. I'm so glad. I had one like this and I couldn't tear it at all. So I'm thrilled. That is so cute. I really do like this washi. Okay, I really like that, but I'm gonna go down through here. I think it needs something a little more festive down through here. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty, okay? So let's start putting our stickers down. And like I said, I got these at Michael's. And I think they are just so adorable with all these really pretty Christmas presents. I think I'm going to put this one right here. And then all I want for Christmas, I think I'm going to put right here, almost like it's a package. I love that so far. And then over here, I think I will put some presents right here. And let's see. We love Santa. And I think I'll put a package, about right here. And these are dimensional. You can take them apart if you don't like them being that way, but it really isn't going to bother me. And Christmas cheer right here, because this is the end of this planner for me, so it's not a problem. And I'll maybe put I might just put a bow right in the middle of that. I think that's really cute. And maybe stick a little bow right here. I think that's really adorable. And then Joy. I may just put Joy right there. And I don't think I'm going to use these last two unless I put one here that says presents. Okay, and I don't think I'll use the to and from unless I would put it right down this sidebar here. To and from. I think that is really cute. And I don't think I'm going to use this. It would have been really cute, but I really don't have any room unless I just wanted to put it right here. And I could do that, and I might just stick it right there. But these gift tags from Dollar Tree are very versatile. You don't have to use it just for a gift tag, although these are gorgeous gift tags. I got this last year. And I might just make it like, well, I could maybe move this, put the sleigh right here. And I think I'll stick the package right here. I think that is adorable, okay? So let me write a few things that I need to do. Okay, let me put my pages back in my planner and we'll take a look at this. But I really love this Christmas spread. I think it is adorable. It's just sweet and simple. I'm glad that this is it for this book. It could not hold anything else. Okay, all right, this is my Christmas spread for 2018. I love it. I love this paper. It looks so pretty together, and I love this washi because it complements everything perfectly, and this Dollar Tree tag fits wonderfully in here. I love it all. So like I said, I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.